Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play good NBA 2K. First, familiarize yourself with the fundamental controls. Practice dribbling moves, shooting mechanics, and passing options in the tutorial or practice modes. Understanding your player's strengths and weaknesses based on their attributes is crucial. Focus on timing your jump shots perfectly to maximize your scoring efficiency. On defense, learn to stay in front of your opponent and contest shots effectively. To master offense, learn to run plays and execute effective pick-and-rolls. Setting screens for your teammates can create wide-open scoring opportunities. Don't be afraid to drive aggressively to the basket. This can lead to easy layups, powerful dunks, or open three-point shots for your teammates if the defense collapses. Developing a diverse offensive strategy will keep your opponents guessing and improve your scoring. Dominating defense requires discipline and anticipation. Avoid reaching for steals too often, as this can lead to easy fouls. Instead, focus on staying in front of your man and anticipating passing lanes for deflections or steals. Timing your shot blocks is key. Jump too early, and you'll be out of position. Always crash the boards aggressively to secure rebounds, giving your team extra possessions or preventing second chance points. For advanced play, consider customizing your controller settings to suit your personal style. Observing professional NBA 2K players can provide valuable insights into complex strategies and moves. Consistent practice across different game modes, like My Career or Play Now, is essential for skill development. Finally, always be ready to adapt your offensive and defensive strategies based on your opponent's strengths and weaknesses during a game.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.